in episode 1, or I think it was episode 3. Episode 1, we made Nutella sandwich. Episode 2, we made really bad cookie. I tried making cookie dough out of Oreos, and that didn't work out. So today, we're gonna be making just normal cookies, you know? Come here, cameraman, or woman. Right here, we just got some sugar, brown sugar. We're gonna mix it, and also salt. We're gonna mix it a little bit. And then once we're done mixing that, we're gonna add a little bit of melted butter. Will it melt the plastic? Nah. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. No lumps. With that in mind, we add 2 eggs and vanilla extra. Oh, look at this scale. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, let me do it one more time. Oh, yeah. That's to all the people who said I couldn't be a cook. Wait, is there a little piece? Okay, no, that wasn't a piece. Okay, cool. And after that, a little bit, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Maybe a little bit more crazy. That shot, you got that? Cool. And then just whisk it until it's more lighter. We're gonna go off camera and do this. Oh, right, okay. So I got really tired because I'm weak as freak. So I'm gonna use one of the best things ever made from man. Machinery. Yeah, you see, this is a high budget show. High quality. Ooh. You know? All my other videos, they're garbage compared to this one. I got cameraman, I got machinery. Ooh, anyways, come on. Let's zoom in. Not zoom, but just like. Okay, so after mixing it, no, I'm talking, shut up. After mixing it, we're gonna add 1/4 of flour. Come on. Yeah! Ooh. That one. Add that one. Okay, let me check the recipe again for how much baking soda, but that'll be. Okay, we added 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Now mix it. Mix. Yep. Don't overmix, okay? So you're gonna mix it a little, then start using your gloves.
And I just...
Yeah. I'll see you guys once we're done mixing it. Okay, we're done with the batter. It was pretty easy. We just did it, and now we're gonna start cutting the chocolate. I hate saying that. Anyways, we're gonna cut in a formation diagonally, so it's gonna have these really good shapes. I've seen these in a lot of videos. We cut the chocolate. Put the camera at the chocolate. Now that we've cut the chocolate, we're gonna start pouring it in here and folding it. We're gonna freeze it. I mean, not freeze it. We're gonna refrigerate it so it hardens. Pause. Pause. Now that we're ready, we first the dough for 45 minutes, and now it's hardened. We're gonna scoop about that much. Put these into the oven. Let's see if all that efforts when not shake.
Yes, Queen.
Okay, there. Oh yeah. That's gonna be my signature, just saying oh yeah after everything. Okay, let's start. Ooh. Okay, let's show the cross section of the splitting it. Oh, you got a little chocolate. Not the best cross section ever, but it's okay. Yeah, decent cookie. That's good. That's really good.